Let's take a closer look at MABI injection packers. This particular packer is one of our two-part packers, made up of the injection packer sleeve and its corresponding injector with zerk fitting. Like our other injection ports, this one is made of the same high-quality plastic that won't rust or deteriorate over time. Requiring a half-inch drill hole, it can be used for low to medium pressure injections up to 800 psi. As you can see, the packer sleeve does not contain the anti-return valve. Instead, this is found in the smaller injector that fits inside. The two should fit together like this. The separate parts allow you to execute the injection process in 2 steps. This 2-step process allows you to clearly see when the product has fully penetrated the crack. Made of plastic, installation of both injector parts is quick and easy. Insert the injector sleeves into the drill holes with a hammer. Insert smaller injection ports as you go, using a hammer and mounting tool. The no return valve in the small injector holds the product in place while it cures. If you have questions about this or any of our other injection packers, contact us at info@mabi-usa.com. See you soon!